जो जुर्म करते हैं इतने बुरे नहीं होते, जो जुर्म करते हैं इतने बुरे नहीं होते, सज़ा न दे के अदालत बिगाड़ देती है. So a message from this couplet is that sometimes even the guilty persons are acquitted by the court due to lack of evidence or due to some other reasons. What's your opinion about it? First of all, introduce yourself.
I am Advocate Ram, practicing in a civil court Aurangabad.
Okay. So what is the importance of English for advocates in this age?
English is very important in advocacy because there are many judgment in English. English is very important because all laws
Are enacted in English.
enacted in English.
Yes.
In this era, we should know English because we don't know English, then we cannot explain or we cannot write
Any case. Yes,
in
in
English.
English.
If you are poor in English, then we cannot
Be a good lawyer. Yes.
be a good lawyer.
Okay. So how do you feel in Aurangabad court? Because you have been practicing here. So what's your opinion about Aurangabad court?
My point of view about Aurangabad civil court, it is the trial court and it is also interesting and the first platform to learn the new advocates how to file,
argue, yes,
how to argue in the court.
Yes. As you have also visited the Honorable High Court and also the Honorable Supreme Court. So what's your opinion about the High Court? And how did you feel in High Court and how did you feel in Supreme Court?
I feel very well in the High Court as well as in the Supreme Court.
You belong to a very small village. What's the name of your village?
My village name is Thana Biga, which is situated near Unthu.
Okay. So you belong to a village. I think people don't speak English there. So how did you decide to become an advocate?
Nur Alam sir had advised me
I have advised you. Okay.
to become an advocate.
English is helping you a lot in your advocacy.
Yes, English is very helpful for me in advocacy.
Yes. Nowadays, recently, the government has changed or replaced 3 laws: IPC, CRPC, and Indian Evidence Act. Practically, are you facing any problem due to this replacement
No,
of acts?
there is no.
Is it not confusing the advocates who
No,
are
no.
especially senior advocates?
No, there is no any problems.
Because you are a fresher, it may not be difficult for you, but those who are senior, who have been practicing for the last 20 to 30 years, and they have memorized all the sections, do they feel any problem?
Yes, they are feeling problems and they need to read
Again
and again.
So ingredients are the same.
Yes,
Only
yes.
sections have been changed.
Ingredients and also the definition are
The same. Okay. Advocacy is considered to be a noble profession. People in the past used to help the poor without fee. So do you also support? Do you also help the poor?
Yes, I also support the poor.
One couplet which I remember now, it has been composed by Rahat Indori. Rahat Indori says, जो जुर्म करते हैं इतने बुरे नहीं होते, जो जुर्म करते हैं इतने बुरे नहीं होते, सज़ा न दे के अदालत बिगाड़ देती है. So a message from this couplet is that sometimes even the guilty persons are acquitted by the court due to lack of evidence or due to some other reasons. What's your opinion about it?
But it depends on the advocate who are representing that person. How can they represent before the court? It depends on the advocates.
Okay.
Not depend on the honorable court.
Yes. There is one saying in law that justice delayed is justice denied. So we see in India so many cases are pending for the last many years. So as an advocate, how do you feel? What type of measure can be taken to solve it?
First of all, both are responsible, court as well as client.
Yes.
Because the many clients want to delay in the case
They want to take the long dates.
and they want to take long dates,
Yes.
then it can delay.
So we will have to be conscious for it. Yes.
Yes.
And for this, education is very
It
compulsory.
depends on the clients.
Okay. Thank you, Ramji, for coming here. How do you feel in Oxford now?
I am feeling well in
Yeah.
Oxford, sir.
Yes, yes. Has Oxford been beneficial for you? In your
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
advocacy?
Oxford is beneficial for me and also the student of Aurangabad.
Yeah, yeah. So without English, we cannot be a perfect lawyer.
Yes, we cannot perfect a lawyer without English. English is necessary in advocacy.
So we
Because
must learn English.
we must learn English.
Very good. One more message which I would like to convey to all: ignorance of law is no excuse.
No excuse.
So we must know the law, because this is the duty of a citizen to know the law, because ignorance of law will not give any excuse in future. So we think that only advocates should know the law. It is wrong. Every educated person must know the law. Law is compulsory. Thank you, Ramji, for coming
Thank you,
here
sir.
and giving your nice and very fruitful opinion. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.